However, the picture of happiness began to darken with the advent of the agricultural revolution, approximately 12,000 years ago. Harari called this history's biggest fraud. Instead of liberating humans from the burden of subsistence, agriculture turned them into slaves of the land and crops. People worked harder, from dawn to dusk, cultivating wheat, rice, corn, crops that demanded constant care. Diets became more monotonous, relying on one or two staple crops, leading to nutritional deficiencies and declining health. The concentration of populations in agricultural settlements also facilitated the faster spread of diseases. Furthermore, agriculture led to the accumulation of wealth and the emergence of social stratification, creating inequality and new forms of oppression. Farmers, hoping for a brighter future, traded their freedom and diverse lives for a promise of food security, a promise often unfulfilled. They were trapped in a vicious cycle. The more they produced, the more mouths there were to feed, and the more they had to produce. Individual happiness seemed to have been sacrificed for the development of the species. As civilizations and empires emerged, social scales expanded, bringing more complex structures, but also new burdens. Money, laws, religion, and political systems arose to maintain order and promote large-scale cooperation. However, they also served as tools for control, oppression, and exploitation. The lives of ordinary people were bound by obligations, taxes, and wars. They had to work to feed armies, elites, and contribute to grand projects from which they might not directly benefit. Despite brilliant achievements in art, architecture, and philosophy,